Well, I woke up this morning from a reoccurring dream.
So your papa is an engineer.
Yes.
How long has he been an engineer for?
For about like 22 years.
Has it changed much?
Not really.
Anyone else in your family engineer?
My uncle and my aunt.
I thought you were gonna say your ex.
No.
Hello people, I'm Jabi Kuwait, joined by Siddhi Kolkapkar.
Kalapkar.
God damn it! Kolapkar. You know what? Every time I say your name, I think of Musawala.
Oh, Sidhu Muswala.
Oh shit, that's his name?
Yes.
I messed it up. Yeah, because I want to say Siddhi Musawala. Sidhu Musawala.
Yeah, his name is Sidhu. It's
Okay.
it's similar to mine. Instead of an I, there's a U at the end. So
Instead of that,
I guess that's kind of like my nickname. Like I know people in my family would be like, "Hey, Sidhu," like they'll say it out of love.
Why don't they say Musawala?
It's not based off of Sidhu Muswala.
I know, but that's a fun thing to say.
Yeah, that's
you know?
true.
You go chasing rabbits, be careful what you find. The truth you seek might just blow right out.
So again, hello people, I'm Jabi Kuwait, joined by Siddhi, not Musawala, but Kolapkar.
Yes.
And we're looking at Never Have I Ever Engineers Edition, featuring RJ Abhinav, Sumikhi, Rahul, Ashish, and hold on, I got it. Prashasti. God, that's hard. Prashasti.
Yes.
From Netflix India. Thank you, Netflix India, for allowing us to react to this. Very, very much appreciated. I am not an engineer, nor do I plan on being one. But we have our resident child of an engineer here. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention, Rahul Subramanian is in this video. I interviewed him. It was a live stream interview, so you guys can check that out on youtube.com/JabiLive. I don't know if we have a cut down version on this channel, so don't go looking for it. If there is one, Achara will put a button at the end of this video. Here we go.
जैसे ही लाइट्स ऑफ हुई सबने फ्लैश लाइट एंड वो लाइट ऑन होती है एंड सर की शर्ट फटी हुई है और किसी ने उनके 3-4 पीछे से मुक्के मारे हैं।
Hi guys, my name is Sumukhi Suresh and I'm with people who are the reason why the GDP of this country is so low.
Oh,
Anyway,
Jesus.
it doesn't matter. Actually, I'm with 4 very, very prominent and very exciting engineers as part of the engineering conversation that we're engineering today. They should please introduce themselves.
Hi guys, my name is Prashasti and I am an electronics and communication engineer.
Hi guys, my name is Rahul Subramanian. I am a Bachelor of Engineering in the field of Information Technology.
I'm Ashish Akia, Electronics and Telecom Engineer, batch of 2006. My all India rank was 7, मतलब उसमें 7 digit थे. उसके आगे मेरे को बोलना नहीं है.
Nice.
Hi, I am Abhinav Chand, bachelor's in technology, computer science engineer. आपने कहा था ना अपने पापा से सीख के आना। अपने पापा से सीख के वो आया।
So today we're going to play Never Have I Ever Engineers Edition, Engineering Edition,
Awesome.
which involves me asking you Never Have I Ever ... And then you guys be like,
called
oh
the
yeah,
ellipses.
I have.
Yeah, I
oh,
have.
I don't. You guys have seen popular people do this.
I have watched. I'm
Today
always
you are the
confused in
popular
this
people.
game.
ये
who do
जवानी है दीवानी में वो लोग करते हैं।
हाँ.
They said let's get some engineering related nostalgia.
Did you watch that Yejawani Hai Diwani?
Yes.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's my favorite movie.
That's your favorite movie?
Yes.
Like more than Spider-Man?
Yes. I love that movie. I've seen it like 20 times.
When you
I know
said
all the
okay,
dialogue.
you said it's like your favorite. So is it actually your favorite movie?
It is my favorite movie. Okay, it depends on my mood too.
Get on your mic.
It depends.
I've been saying this to her all morning, so all afternoon. Go ahead.
It depends on my mood too, but for the most part, I love that movie.
Okay.
I've seen it 20 plus times.
20 plus times.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. All right.
We didn't have this, but when we have this, we will be doing something which we don't want to. That's how we will think of engineering.
These are not things that you ate during engineering.
These are also
Also,
Some of them.
chai.
चाय है, पतला दाल है।
और
I can
ये
relate to something like this.
Szechuan noodles made by a person who doesn't understand spice. So बहुत अच्छे हैं.
And that's why you loved it.
Yeah.
Really.
पनीर
Wait,
बहुत
what? So the person didn't understand that he put too much spice? Is that the idea?
I think maybe it has to do with kind of like college food isn't the best.
Oh yeah, I know I got that much, but like he
Yeah.
said, he said it was made by a person who didn't know spices. That's why it was spicy. So my impression of that was that the person just overloaded it.
Yeah, he just like overloaded it with like mirchi and
Mirchi.
That's why you loved it.
Yeah.
Really.
पनीर बहुत अच्छा
Honestly,
लग रहा
this
है.
is like from my college.
wedding gate crash wedding.
Yeah, because I did food science, so this was.
that reminds me of Three Idiots.
Monday practical.
और ये कच्ची मैगी है.
ठीक है.
And with masala. She'll say something. If you've done it, then you'll be like, I have done it, and then you.
Oh, okay, cool. आप दोनों को ये मिलता है?
Thank
आप
you.
दोनों को.
Thanks, yeah.
Never have I ever drank random chemicals in the lab.
या मैंने एक बार एसीटोन पी लिया था।
पहले अभी
Chips dip in dal and
अरे जो आदमी acid
Wait, what was the game? What's the game here? I don't understand the game.
Oh, it's never have I ever.
No, I understand, but what's the? Because normally you have like a reveal, but they just cut to. They just already had it. Like, so if you have to eat something.
No, I think if they have, they just have the board that says I have. I think they're eating for nostalgia.
या मैंने एक बार acetone पी लिया था
Oh,
chips
okay, yeah.
dip in dal and
अरे
So you have
जो
to
आदमी
eat something
acetone पी
weird
सकता है
if you've done it.
Can I have one more
ये acetone
Can
क्यों
we make
होता है
you drink
ना?
acetone? Does anybody have
Does anyone have acetone? If you have
And a
acetone,
makeup.
कोई लाया
leave the set.
कोई पीता है
Rahul is like, I mean, I don't know if he was serious or not. It kind of, but that kind of reminds me of me because like I did the with Kishanel,
Yeah.
I did the Pani Puri competition with them, and I didn't win. I came close. I didn't win. For someone who has no experience with Pani Puri, I fucking came close. So,
Yeah.
but anyway, in the video, everyone thinks I'm mad, but I was just very focused on eating because I was hungry. They're like, don't eat, keep, bring your appetite. And I brought my appetite, but like a grumpy jabs, one who's got an empty stomach. I said that all wrong. But anyway, my point is, I went through the competition and it was over, but I just kept eating.
Yeah.
I was just like, oh, this is yummy.
Pani puri is so good.
Yeah.
It's my favorite food.
Yeah, I had a lot of Pani Puri that day. My stomach didn't like me later on, but it was yummy, going down.
It takes a little bit of getting used to.
Yeah.
गलती से हो गया था ये obviously of course I was just sitting I had nothing to do acetone वो लिम्का वाले बॉटल में था acetone is very trans तो लिम्का वाले बॉटल में साइड में रखा था yeah I'm just sitting there I'm not doing anything might as well drink water was my ये ठीक है तब तो मैं देखा और ऐसा तो नहीं पा तब तो कोरोना नहीं था तो हम एक दूसरे का झूठा उठा तो अभी नहीं करना लेकिन तभी तो मैं लेके पी लिया Okay, let me reiterate. मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो एसीटोन है। पता होता तो मैं झूठा एसीटोन तो कभी नहीं पीता।
Never have I ever had feces thrown at me while going to college.
That's crazy. That's disgusting.
Did that happen to you?
No.
Oh, God. If someone threw feces at me, I don't care how big they are, I would go after them. That's so gross.
I've never heard of that happening. But then again, I went to Irvine and I didn't go to college in India.
So you must have been around a lot of Asians.
Yes. Yes.
Very cool.
What?
Amazing.
वो गेम्स का जैसे मारियो में ऐसा लेवल होता है ना वैसा मेरे कॉलेज का रास्ता होता था फर्स्ट इट्स हाईवे एकदम स्मूथ लेवल 1 फिर खड्डे वाली रोड फिर लेवल 3 इज मिट्टी सो लेवल 5 में होता था अगर आपकी बस की खिड़की खुली रह गई और आप उस गांव के रास्ते से गुजर रहे हो तो उन बच्चों का खेल होता था ताजे गोबर के उपले लेके
gotcha.
वो बस के अंदर मारते
I
थे
thought
और
it was
उससे
like other
आपकी नींद
college
खुलती थी।
kids or something.
वो मेरी इंजीनियरिंग का बहुत करीबी ये एक्सपीरियंस है
No, because this sounds like that show on Netflix अपना वो
Wild.
नहीं दूसरा
अरे
वो भी है
Alma Mater.
Alma Mater.
You're supposed to be talking about Never Have I Ever.
Like, yeah, this Alma Mater in this college should be amazing.
Yeah.
Season.
अभी
So
IIT
imagine they'll do drone shot और drone shot पे गोबर फेंकेंगे वो लोग।
वो पहले ही नीचे आया
इससे कॉलेज में रोबोटिक्स पे
और उसके बाद वो धागा लगा के उड़ा रहे हैं हमको देखना
ड्रोन को धागा
हाँ ढील दे
Listen, you have to eat something horrible
Netflix,
just for
sorry,
this.
for that. Netflix, Alma Mater season 2 in his college.
In his college
For
field.
sure.
क्योंकि मैं बुरी चीज खा चुका हूँ already।
मैं वही बोलने वाला था जिसने गोबर
गोबर खाया है
उसके लिए क्या ही है
तो यार तो पनीर खा ले यार
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's supposed to be rubbery paneer from the hostel.
Is it?
I don't know.
We'll find out. But I feel like
Netflix
based on
posh है यार,
his,
Netflix से rubber नहीं।
also in his college,
Relaxo का पनीर है।
Relaxo का flavor आ रहा है।
Nice.
never have I.
My man on the right with the glasses,
Yeah.
he seems so chill.
Yeah, he does.
He reminds me of John Humphrey, for those of you who are familiar with my brother's channel. He's just so chill. It always throws me off when people are that chill.
Yeah.
It's like, damn, how are you so chill? I'm so like high strung. How are you that chill?
Yeah.
Complained about lack of attractive people in my college.
तेरे कॉलेज में सब मिस इंडिया मिस्टर
Crowd coming here.
लोग
Do
बहुत
come
ज्यादा
light my fire.
like
You've never complained
attractive
about
crowd
it.
तो हम लोग थे ना in present tense we could acknowledge how good it was for us
Oh wow.
कि
Spoiled
ये
for
सही
choice.
है या
Yeah, not just quantity, like quality.
अभी तक कि यार इतना ये लोग अच्छा पैसा कमाएंगे बड़े होके
Ashasthi, did you go to college or did your mom go to college?
आई थिंक इसमें उल्टा होना चाहिए प्रशस्ति को खाना चाहिए इसको चाय में डिप करके खाओ
It's only found in canteens. That's
It's
it.
nice.
nostalgia there guys इतना डिमांड सप्लाई का प्रोपोर्शन खराब था कि मुझे अपने क्लास में लड़कों के चेहरे और शक्लें ऐसे मिक्सअप हो जाती थी तो थर्ड हाँ तो बेसिकली दिस डीजे थिंग में सम थर्ड ईयर सम पार्टीज हैपनिंग इट्स टू बी रेन डांस पार्टी बाय द वे
You is the correct response.
What's a rain dance party?
It's this thing where they have like sprinklers at the top, so it's like kind of it's raining, not really, but they make it rain.
And then you dance in it?
Yeah, you dance in it.
Like a Bollywood movie?
Yeah.
All right.
Water parks have that in India.
What?
Yeah, if you go to a water park, they have this like area which is like the rain dance area.
No, does anyone get hurt?
I don't think so.
That's a liability. That's a lawsuit waiting to happen. That would never happen here.
Yeah, it would never happen here.
Jesus.
But yeah, people have it in water parks and they just kind of like dance in the fake rain. They have like a good DJ, nice music playing. It's very Bollywood.
Wow.
Yeah.
So the floor, this is a very specific question. The floor underneath the sprinklers, is it slippery?
Yeah.
And nobody slides and busts their lip open?
I mean, if they do, like, that's on them.
Wow.
Yeah.
This would never happen in the States, yo. Because if it did, someone would slide and bust their chin. That's a wrap. That place is shut down.
Yeah, they're going to be sued.
Yeah.
रेन डांस होता है
हमारे कॉलेज में गोबर फेंकते थे रेन डांस होता था
अरे LHS equal to RHS था कैंसिल हो गया.
I'm so sorry. I have to ask, is it simulated rain or like actual
स्प्रिंकलर विंकलर लगा
Oh,
के
you're right. You're
लीकेज
right.
ज्यादा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है
कुछ भी नहीं है। तो हो रहा था तो जुक बॉक्स आया था नया
I know.
तो सम डूड आई हर्ड ऑन दिस थिंग कि गाने लोग इसको डेडिकेट करते थे तो सम गाय फ्रॉम माय क्लास कॉल्ड उज्जवल ने प्रशस्ति को डेडिकेट किया है और सम रोमांटिक्स आई डोंट रिमेंबर यार सम रोमांटिक मतलब IUPT
But was it a nice romantic? Was it
like a Sajan and Nadeem Shravan one? I don't know. I was
Dhadkan.
dancing on it.
मुझे अच्छी लगनी
I have no but I remember this happened and then I was like oh my god this is Ujjwal then अगले 6 महीने I'm like कि ये वो तो Ujjwal है इसमें okay we're not talking okay I'm like कि इसने गाना डेडिकेट कर दिया मेरे ऊपर then 6 महीने बाद हमने कहा कि वो जो लड़का है वो उज्जवल है भी नहीं उसका नाम यू से कुछ और है उल्लास वगैरह नाम है उसका उज्जवल तो वो वाला है वो रेगुलर लड़के को छेड़ दे ये लड़के इसके कॉलेज
गाना डेडिकेट करो कल से
Oh God. Never have I ever wanted to shoot myself while studying mechanics.
I think all of us have done this, you know,
I
share.
have never.
Oh,
What?
You were good at
तुमने क्या
mechanics.
तुमने
उनको आई हैव बोलना है लेकिन है नहीं उनके
I have
पास
बोलना है.
हाँ, साथ में पकड़ो ना
I don't think I've done it. Mechanics से मेरा
और
कोई लग
Mechanics was the only thing I liked.
How dare you? How dare you? I've never had this shit.
You can have this
This actually
crispy
is
biscuit.
nice.
Oh, so just to be studying mechanics is not like to garage में वो mechanic
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
That's automobile.
Yeah. कि उस मैकेनिक का नाम बबलू है उसको स्टडी करो.
मानकुड़ वेस्ट में कौन सा मैकेनिक है कद 5 फुट 8 इंच तुम गलत आंसर बहुत टफ है प्रेशर दी लगी ये तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी आता है
I love that the mechanics.
सब मैकेनिक्स को जानते हो वो मेरे गांव के हैं. सब अमेठी से आए. So mechanics I think engineering का वो basically like physics on steroids. It's crazy.
yeah it's physics on steroids that's
Bullshit.
right
And everyone fails it. Most people fail it.
Oh, okay. And Katie is not Kumari.
keep terms
Keep terms. Got it.
मतलब fail.
तेरी किटी लग गई is a very common
और सप्ली आ गई सप्लियां करी जा रही है
अपना भी बताओ
Paper back या year back दोनों
कुछ ऐसे एक्शन के साथ बताओ ना
year back.
That's
Like I'll give.
They call that gesticulation.
Really?
That's called gesticulation. That's the American, I mean, it's the English word for like body movement actions, you know,
Oh,
gesticulation. That's what
got
Italians
it.
do a lot, gesticulate, you know,
Got
with the
it.
hands.
Gist of a question. It's very stupid, but there are
Bridge.
pulleys. जैसे वेटर टकरा है
Yeah.
and किसी
Pulley
rope पे
बंदर है.
बंदर है.
पुलिस पे बंदर है.
पुलिस
पुली नॉट द वन जो आंटी बुलाएगी
इन सब प्रॉब्लम्स में एक मंकी लटक रहा है रस्सी से और दूसरे साइड पे वेट है और तुमको कैलकुलेट करना है फाइंड द टेंशन इन द रोप. I'm like टेंशन इधर है. Rope में नहीं.
Never ever have students in my college beaten up a professor. No guys, तो मेरे guts नहीं होंगे. Come on.
मैंने
हमने तो स्टूडेंट को ही नहीं पीटा. उससे बोला पुलिस
मैंने नहीं किया guys.
मैंने भी नहीं
Hold
किया.
on.
Oh wait, you guys have to eat now. Let's try it.
Oh, they
Hold
just
on. Wait. I'm so confused because they put up the one I have.
because they don't have the I have never sign.
Oh, it's
There's
just a
only-
limited amount of, this is like a small budget.
Yeah.
This is where Netflix decided to cut corners. It was on this. on this ad campaign. All they're doing is sitting around eating food.
Yeah.
Like Netflix couldn't provide four
more.
more signs, just on the off chance that maybe all of them would have never.
Yeah.
Can we put some dal inside?
Oh,
this?
maybe it's kind of a thing where it's like, well, you have to grab the sign first, or like. That's part of the game.
Maybe.
I don't know. I'm just making excuses.
Spoonful of Maggie poured in chai.
Okay, I like it.
And then eat the chips.
Guys, को पीठ ही क्यों नहीं दे रहा है?
ठीक है.
बट वो कैसे
चाय
होगा?
तो
स्पून
चुस्की
नहीं है,
में-
स्पून नहीं है. चलो रहने दो. अच्छा.
मुंह में रख, खाने का नहीं, इसको ले.
ये फूड साइंटिस्ट है, इसको मालूम है.
क्या कुल्ले करने हैं?
किले में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अरे कितना? What is that? Take one more sip.
अरे भाई ये है।
किसे पीटा तूने अभी ना?
नहीं मैंने नहीं
मुझे तो
पीटा।
लगता है तू नहीं पीटा.
तो मेरा एक दोस्त था, वो पूरे कॉलेज फेस्ट का हेड था, उसके सारे गुंडे दोस्त थे, लेकिन हमारे कॉलेज में गुंडे बहुत ज्यादा थे, ठीक है, क्योंकि उन्हीं की जमीन पे कॉलेज बना हुआ था।
Fair.
सो हमारे कॉलेज में जब फेस्ट होता है, सो नोबडी कैन स्टॉप द लोकल्स, क्योंकि वो फेस्ट होने ही नहीं देंगे। कोई तार खींच देगा जनरेटर की, स्टार नाइट हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो सकता है।
Oh, sorry. That beep. I don't know if you guys can't hear it, but we heard a beep. It was recording for so long that it moved on to another audio file. So let me do this just so that my editors don't freak out. They're like, oh, there's a loss in audio.
कोई तार खींच देगा जनरेटर की, स्टार नाइट हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। हम डांस कर रहे थे, यूफोरिया आया हुआ था।
Oh,
ये तब तो उनका कॉलेज फेस्ट का किल कर चल रहा था.
And what energy.
One thing about Euphoria, I don't know. They are the only people to be in like 3 places at the same time. 3 different colleges.
पिचक फिर दूसरे कॉलेज में पी 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 पी.
तेरे करते वो लोग आते रहते हैं, फिर वो दूसरे वाले चले जाते हैं।
I don't know what they're talking about.
तब
Do you know?
तलाश
I don't know
भाई
who
को idea
Euphoria
आया
is.
कि कुछ मजेदार करते हैं, तो अभी जो मैं स्लो पार्ट गाऊंगा उसमें मैं लाइट्स ऑफ करा देता हूँ
Oh you?
और सब
What a mummy reaction that was.
अच्छू
Because you know lights off और कोविड में मतलब
And
उल्लास
गुंडे।
उज्जवल सबके साथ.
पलाश सेन ने बोला ओके कैन वी स्विच ऑफ द लाइट्स एंड एवरीबॉडी जस्ट पुट योर फ्लैश लाइट्स आउट। जैसे ही लाइट्स ऑफ हुई सबने फ्लैश लाइट एंड वो लाइट ऑन होती है एंड सर की शर्ट फटी हुई है और किसी ने उनके 3-4 पीछे से मुक्के मारे हैं।
Light went, not Palash.
Not पलाश
Okay,
सेन, पलाश सेन तो एग्जीक्यूशन में थे
हाँ, तो yeah.
एंड हम थोड़ा पास खड़े थे एंड आवर ड्यूटी वाज टू रन नॉट टू एंजॉय एनी मोर। उससे दूर भागो जितना दूर भागना है बिकॉज कोई भी पकड़ा जाएगा क्योंकि वो पिटा है वो खुंदक में। एंड वी रन लाइक दूर दूर वहां वो एरिया ऐसा स्पेसशिप लैंड होने वाला है ऐसा क्लियर हो गया है।
The last one, guys, I have the last
Last one,
clincher.
okay.
Never have I ever been in a Netflix video to promote engineering content.
हाँ बड़ी.
Of course.
हाँ बड़ी. I'm more serious. You also know.
Yeah, okay, I think I'm going to do the chips and the chai.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to do it for a
Yes,
while.
yes, please. You want a fresh chai?
That's so
Uchi malai
weird.
came, guys.
So weird. That's so weird. All the engineering
She's
kids watching
funny.
today going.
Yeah.
Acetone लाओ. इसके बाद
क्या
तो वही
क्या खराब है चाय की चिप्स की कॉम्बिनेशन?
Combination is bad.
है ना अब ये खा के देखो मेरे को एक
मैगी
गिलाया
खाओ।
था चाय के
Value of
ऊपर ये
मैगी हमको।
मसाले के साथ।
अब ये खा के
No, okay, that's it. Okay.
अरे पियो तो
Engineering ना करके इस वीडियो में रहने के लिए.
मैं तहे दिल से कोटा फैक्ट्री को थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ।
Do you know what Coda Factory is?
Season 3 भी
Oh,
आ
no.
जाए,
Oh,
हमारा
the-
season
the
4
show?
आ जाए।
Yeah.
ये कोटा फैक्ट्री के इंजीनियर्स की वजह से नॉन इंजीनियर्स को भी काम मिल रहा है.
That's true.
That's what engineers do.
Dedicated to all the students who are still studying orbital mechanics or whatever the I don't know.
Guys, thank you so much for sharing your time to share some lovely engineering stories. And please watch Coda Factory on Netflix. Please watch 3 Idiots on Netflix. Please watch us on Netflix's YouTube channel.
Comedy Premium League.
Comedy Premium also watch Might as well. There's engineer in it. Engineer also wrote Anurag Kashyap's content. Engineer also was Bahu. You were not there.
He can fix AC.
And never drink acetone, guys.
That's right. Hashtag Palash insane.
Wow, that was great.
I thought they're supposed to promote Never Have I Ever. I thought that was the point of this.
Yeah.
I'm so confused. That was fun though.
Yeah, it was funny.
That was a lot of fun. I actually enjoyed that a lot more than I thought I would. It's just like 5 people around just chatting about engineering. Like how interesting could that possibly be?
Yeah.
But then you got comedians in there. I really appreciate Rahul Subramanian a lot. So they were all funny though.
Yeah.
This is my first like real proper experience with a few of these people though. And so anyway, what'd you think?
I thought it was pretty funny.
Yeah.
I think like I couldn't relate to it so much because I didn't do the whole engineering thing in India.
But I'm sure your dad has had countless stories.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure he has a lot of stories. He also like grew up in Mumbai, so he has a lot of Mumbai stories.
Yeah. Nothing that they said reminded you of your pops.
Nothing in particular. I think a lot has changed. That's why.
I thought you said nothing.
Like, okay,
you keep
not-
flip flopping.
Okay, like not in terms of like the educational aspect, but in terms of like things that are considered fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was fun back in the day?
Like my dad probably wouldn't have had
Poop thrown at him.
or like Maggie, for example. Like
He wouldn't.
Maggie's
He wouldn't eat Maggie.
he would, but like for them, their like thing that they would go eat out or like during college would be like vada pav and like pani puri and like chaat and all of that, or like roasted nuts. That was like a really big thing.
Roasted nuts.
Yeah,
Okay.
or like fried like pakoras when it's raining and all of that. So very like more traditional type of things.
And it's de-evolved to Maggie, is what you're saying?
I mean, Maggie's great. I love Maggie.
I had it for the first time properly the other day.
Yeah.
I made it myself. I did it Jabby way, Jabby style, and I liked it. Achara had complained about it because it was a little too wet, the thing, according to her.
Yeah.
But it was soft. That's what it was.
Oh, you can't overcook it.
Shit, man. I like it
It has
overcooked.
to be like perfectly cooked.
I liked it.
It was very different, like in terms of college experiences.
Can't be that different.
I mean, yeah, but a few things were different for sure.
So the last story was about how they beat up their professor.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy to me.
They do that. That's a thing.
Like, no one gets in trouble for this?
I mean, if they don't find out, then they don't.
I can't even, like, imagine. That's crazy to me.
Yeah.
I couldn't even think of... Wow. I get weirded out when someone calls my mom by her first name.
Yeah.
I like, that's how much, like, I put elders on a pedestal, right?
Yeah.
And so it would wig me out too much if someone, like, even floated the notion by me of, like, oh, we're gonna beat up our professor, Professor Patel. And I'm just like, what? What are you, crazy? Like, I would just walk
Yeah.
the other way. No way. I'm not
I think like in terms of like Indian culture, we put professors on a pedestal. Like ever since I was little.
Everybody's God in India, man.
Yeah.
Guest is God. Son-in-law is God.
That's true.
Sachin is God.
The professors too. Like
Yeah.
what in when I went to school when I was younger,
Mm-hmm.
and if I came home and I'd be like, oh my god, like my teacher told me to do this, like I'm not very happy about it.
Yeah.
My parents would be like, that's your teacher. She's your guru. Like that
Yeah.
means like you're supposed to look up to her. Like you can't be saying that. Your teacher's always right.
I got a question. Do I smell funny because you keep moving away from me?
No, no.
Like,
I'm just like leaning into the chair.
changed in India, but it's kind of different.
I'm just like leaning into my chair.
Yeah.
That's why. But yeah.
Anyway, this was fun, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon, all notifications, and vote this up to let YouTube know you're enjoying what you watch. And follow Siddhi Kalapkar.
Kalupkar?
Kalapkar. Oh, I was close.
Yeah, you're
Kalapkar.
close.
Okay, on the social media, let us know your stories in the comments below about engineering and whatnot. If you've had that, like anything that you relate to this, or you got your own funny gags that you want to talk about. And that's it for now. I'm Jabby Koi. This is
Siddhi Kalupkar.
Peace out.